Witness the ultimate wood-cutting and firewood processing machines in action. Lightning fast, powerful, and efficient, see them slice and stack like never before. Watch now for jaw-dropping technology. Portable chainsaw for cutting trees. A portable chainsaw is a lightweight, gas, or battery-powered tool ideal for cutting trees, pruning branches, and processing firewood. Its compact design ensures easy handling and mobility, making it perfect for homeowners and outdoor enthusiasts. Advantages: portable chainsaws are user-friendly, require minimal setup, and offer excellent maneuverability in tight spaces. Battery-powered models are eco-friendly, quieter, and low-maintenance, while gas-powered ones provide robust cutting power for larger trees. Disadvantages: they have limited cutting capacity for thick trunks, shorter battery life for cordless models, and require regular maintenance like chain sharpening. Gas models are noisier and emit fumes, impacting the environment. A tree stump grinder is a powerful tool designed to remove tree stumps by grinding them into small chips. Advantages include efficient stump removal, minimal ground disturbance, and the ability to clear space for landscaping or construction. It saves time compared to manual removal and can handle various stump sizes. Disadvantages include high equipment costs, potential for operator injury if not used properly, and noise pollution. Renting or hiring professionals may be expensive, and grinders may not fully remove deep roots. Regular maintenance is required to keep the machine effective, and it may not suit very rocky terrains. A wood clamp machine, used to hold wood pieces tightly during gluing or assembly, is vital in woodworking. Advantages include providing strong, even pressure for secure bonds, improving joint quality, and freeing up hands for other tasks. Automated or pneumatic clamp machines increase efficiency, especially in large-scale production. Disadvantages include high costs for advanced models, which may be impractical for hobbyists. They require precise setup to avoid misalignment, and improper use can damage wood. Space requirements and maintenance needs can be drawbacks, while manual models may be labor-intensive, slowing down workflow for complex projects. Woodworking machines, like table saws, CNC routers, and planers, boost efficiency, precision, and safety compared to hand tools. They enable rapid task completion, consistent high-quality cuts, and complex designs with minimal effort. Automated machines, such as CNC systems, offer adaptability for varied shapes and batch production. Safety features reduce risks, while diverse power sources, electric, battery, gas, enhance flexibility. These machines handle solid wood, plywood, and composites, making them versatile for hobbyists and professionals. Long term, they increase productivity, offsetting initial costs.
Trimming back in summer. If you own a domestic property or a vegetable garden, you will find the C4 an ideal-sized chipper shredder with amazing capability. The C4 will process garden refuse, such as prunings, stalks, vines, weeds, matter, and kitchen waste into a natural compost and/or free mulch. Capacity of 40mm branch diameter for smooth running and to protect your ears. Discharge out the side directly back onto your garden. Will handle flax, cabbage tree leaves and palm fronds without shaft. Solid housing construction of 3mm steel plate. Transport, well balanced on large